Hey YouTube, this your boy DIY, the Trucker G. Hey, what's going on, people? It's your boy right here, J. Cole. Back to the channel. What we got going on today is this. You got a slow leak. I'm gonna show you how to plug a tire real quick, alright? I'm gonna show you how to plug a tire so that you save money. Save money with going to the shop and all that. But I'm gonna show you this how to plug that. But you're gonna definitely need an air pump running. So I'm gonna put the air pump on this while it's running in. Plug that out, plug it. Pull and plug. I'll show you right now. Alright, so what we're gonna do here, got the plug here. All you gotta do really is get yourself a plug kit. Don't matter, as long as it comes with, it should be right. Alright, you're gonna get 3 of these. You're gonna get some cement. You're gonna get this. You need this though, because you gotta open the hole up with this, alright? So I'm gonna show you how to do this real quick. And get yourself some needle nose pliers so we can get that out of there. I've been having a leak or a problem with this. Alright? So you're gonna get this, dig it in here. It's in there. It's breaking off. That's what I don't want. Try to dig it out. What I can do is push it in there. If I can't get it, I'll just shove it in there. Just keep bouncing around. Trying to come out. like a bolt or something in there. You have to pop that in. I don't think that's coming out. We can get this to get it. Tear the tire up neither. I ain't see anything about it. Let's see if we can lock down with these. That ain't work. Now I gotta try to knock it down in the tire. That ain't working. Trying to dig it out. Oh, these damn little bugs. There you go. Let me get this ready. I'm gonna have to pop it out. Put that in there. And now put some cement on it. There you go. Big ass piece of glass or something. Something glass. Yep. Oh, that is. You're gonna take this and you drill it in. Alright. Get in there. Try to get all the way in. You want to screw it in there, like so. All right. Once you get it in there, you want to open it up, like so. Like that. Make sure you got this ready, like so. Let me get your cement. You want to get all this together, so pop it over from the back, and be careful, just like so. You want to get that to go in. So when we pull it out, we got to get that on. Just want to get it here. There you go. You get this. You put your cement on there, like so. As much as you want, it's up to you. But don't wait too long, because what's going to happen is that air going to dry it up. Then you just go here. And just start to stick it all the way in there. You got to fight with it to get in there, though. Once you get it in there like so, that's it. You definitely got to fight to get it in there. Get it down up in there. That's it. Then you got to get some wire cutters or some pliers, or get a nice blade. And all you do with that is just pull it out. That's it. It should come right out without pulling the whole thing out. That's it. That's how you plug a tire, the proper way and the right way. You see right here? No bubbles coming out. Still air pressure in there. I'll put that up to 51. But we're going to just cut this off right here. But we're going to leave that there for now. If you want for now, you just put some more cement glue on there. It ain't nothing bubbling. Let it dry up. Get your razor blade. We're going to nip the top off. And then we're going to put some air in the tire. And that's it. That is how you properly plug a tire. So that right there will save you a lot of money. Because inflation right now, these used to be $25 to $35. Now they charge you $50 to $60 to plug a tire. You know, because they're going to charge you to take it off the rim. Most of the time, they can plug it, or you could do a patch. But plug and patch don't really make no sense. If you're going to take it off the tire, just have them patch it from the outside. You know, but if you have a hole on the sidewall, the tire done. Any holes or tears, any holes, leaks on here, the tire done. The other side of the tire done. But right here, you could do it yourself. All right, so I just showed you how to plug a tire. So I'm gonna go in here and get the razor blade. I cut it from the top and put the air pressure in here, spray it down with some water or something. Make sure we ain't got no bubbles, and we done for the day. That's it. That is how you properly plug a tire. So let me get a razor blade so I can trim that, cut that, and that's it. You got a razor here, so all we're gonna do is just cut it from the top here. That's it. Be careful, don't damage the tire. That's it. And that's how you plug a tire. That's how you plug it. All right.
So make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. And your boy DIY Truck to bring you more videos, man. All right, so let me get some real quick.
In this video, I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Water, no bubbles. You see that? No bubbles on that. That's how you properly plug a tire. So make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. Alright. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. It's your boy DIY Trucker J. Make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button, hit notification bell, and share this video. This is an important video. This will help save you money in the long way. If I can't get your money, I'll help you save some money. That's what it's all about. Third Eye Open. It's your boy. Peace. Talk to y'all later. Hey YouTube, this your boy DIY Trucker J.